Over the course of this school year, the College of Education has sent a number of teams to Arizona State University to find out more about the next education workforce, which is work being done with Mary Lou Fulton Teachers College, with schools across the country, to provide students with a deeper and a more personalized learning using teams of educators and working to distribute their expertise, while also empowering educators by developing better ways for them to enter the profession, to specialize, and to advance. Why look at teaming in education? Well, first of all, the teacher statistics are alarming. In Arizona, 45,000 teachers left the field in a period of 6 years. According to an Illinois Education Association survey, 60% of the teachers in Illinois are either considering or have left the field of education. According to a survey conducted across the United States, 86% of the districts are struggling to find teachers to fill their staff. At Arizona State, they realize that we need more than a huge recruiting effort. We need to change the field of education so that it is attractive to new graduates and so that we can reduce the burnout that is causing teachers to leave the profession. Another reason is that classrooms are becoming increasingly diverse, and it's difficult in a one teacher, one classroom format to meet the needs of all of the students. And the science of learning and development backs this, because while generally the development of children progresses in a somewhat predictable stage, children learn and acquire skills at very different rates and in very different ways. Why are we interested in teaming at Metcalf? Last year in our needs assessment, the data showed a very strong desire for collaboration among our teachers. In addition to that, we're a lab school and we want to continue to find new ways to show what is possible in education. What is the next education workforce about? Well, in short, it's a paradigm shift in school staffing from teachers of record to teams of record, moving from one teacher, one classroom to a team of teachers and a group of students. It's about leveraging the talents, abilities, and interests of a team of teachers through shared responsibility, differentiated roles and responsibilities, team-enabled deeper learning, team-enabled personalized learning for the students, dynamic student grouping, dynamic schedules, team planning time, and flexible learning spaces. Rather than our current model of one teacher with a group of students in one grade band, we can look at a team of educators working with multi-age students so that we can flexibly and dynamically group them to meet their individual needs. What's next for us? Well, the team at Arizona State did share some big ideas that will be helpful as we move forward. The first big idea is that there is no one model. It's the school and community context that determines the model. So we will work carefully as a team to ensure that we are determining what and how will most benefit our Metcalf community. The second big idea is that this will be iterative work. Healthy and lasting change moves at the speed of trust. So while we do plan to move forward, we will make sure that we do so with the appropriate supports and resources so that we can be successful in this work. The third big idea is that this should be good for students, families, and educators. I know that we would all agree on that, so we will make sure that every change we make does have a benefit to everyone in our community. As we know, the most effective change starts small with intentional planning to expand. So we will do that, and we'll start with a pilot, and then we will work as a staff to expand for the whole school. There's lots more to come, I promise. I simply wanted to plant a seed so that you can begin thinking about what is possible. I apologize to those of you whose minds are completely blown and now have 1,000 questions, but you know I love to talk about it and I'm always happy to have thinking partners. Thank you for watching.